大家好 ，It's Ms Kaka， 我是佳佳老师。We'll continue exploring 形容词 adjectives. In Chinese, adjectives function as predicates directly, unlike in English where linking verbs are needed before adjectives. So 是 is not used before adjectives in Chinese. This difference often leads foreign language learners to make mistakes in descriptive sentences. In addition to avoiding 是 in descriptive sentences, it's important to note that the adverb 很 is often used before adjectives in Chinese. It signifies a straightforward statement without emphasizing the adjective, while 很 can be translated as very or quite. It doesn't necessarily imply a high level of intensity. It's more of a grammatical requirement in the sentence structure. That's a wrap for this episode. If you have any questions about using adjectives, feel free to leave your comments. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we will dive deeper into the world of adjectives.